Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pero Chaos. Welcome to it. You have many things to open for you today. Today I'm going to teach you something. As usual. Or right before that, I would like you to go and subscribe to my channel. This video I'm going to teach you on the site called CryptoTab, one of the most valuable website where you can trade Bitcoin. I have used this particular website around last 4 years, but at a point I lost my phone and I stopped doing it, and I couldn't even remember the name of this website again. So this is the CryptoTab browser. They have their own browser, but I'm using my Safari to locate it too. It's not going to work very well. It will work faster on their browser. You can see how it is. Try CryptoTab, the world's first browser with mining features, MBTC, without looking out from watching videos, chatting, or gaming online. Join the community of more than 35 million users all over the world already enjoying CryptoTab browser. This browser is just like any other browser. Those Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and all other browsers. But this particular browser have their own features of mining. They give you access to mine using their site, which is they own this mining site and they own the browser as well. And in that time that I'm mining, I use free plans. Though they have premium plans, but I use free plan. Me and my brother, and we was able to cash out small, but it wasn't that big. We were able to cash out small. So they have many things, many features in this particular CryptoTab, which I will be teaching you one by one. 5 reasons to use CryptoTab browser. CryptoTab browser is a very flexible solution, providing you with all the tools to explore and navigate the web. It also has a whole pack of unique features, making it truly stand out amongst competitors. They're not trying to tell you that the others are not working well, but they are trying to tell you how unique and good they are. Like, they are more than others that are competing with them. So NY surfing the website, let's know about this. Activate mining, then just lean back, scrolling newsfeed, chat on social media, and watch Netflix. So it simply means that you can be on this particular mining site and you feel relaxed. You be on your lecture, you can be watching film, doing other things while your crypto is being mined here. Your mining will be going on, and just relax back, sleeping, doing any kind of thing you do. But there are some sites that you have to stay there and be looking at your mining going. Secondly, say the fastest inbuilt algorithm. CryptoTab browser includes a built-in mining algorithm that allows more efficient use of your computer's resource with cloud boost features, can multiply mining speed on the same hardware up to 15 times and much more. This particular number 2 reasons is just telling you that they have the fastest. They are like their mining algorithm is very fast, more than other sites. That you can be in this particular site and you can be able to mine very fast, without computers. If you your mobile phone, and once you install this particular CryptoTab browser, you can be able to mine very fast. Very fast. That's what they're trying to mean. That I have that speed. That speed features they built inside this particular website. So number 3 says switch to new browser in a click. You can see now they dictated you that you can, from your Safari or any other website, any other browser you are using, and you can switch to this particular CryptoTab browser. Like I told you before, doubting whether CryptoTab can fully replace your current Chrome, don't import bookmarks, history, password, and settings in a couple of clicks. Improve your browsing experience without losing a byte of your personal data in transit. It simply means that you can just, on a click, you can just transfer from your current browser to a CryptoTab browser. So number 4 say enjoy all your favorite Chrome extensions, like all those. Let's read it out. It says switching to the new browser is not good reason to give up what you are used to. Fortunately, you can use your favorite Chrome extension in CryptoTab too. just a couple of clicks. It simply means that, like, a lot of us are addicted to all this Chrome and Safari and other web browsers, but they give you this opportunity that you can still enjoy all those extensions you enjoy in your previous or your current browsers in CryptoTab browser. That's what they're trying to say here. You can enjoy that, but that same extension you are using there, then you can still enjoy it in this particular CryptoTab. So number 5 say use CryptoTab on all your devices. Turn your PC or Mac into powerful mining farm. Mine Bitcoin on your smartphone or tablet with the mobile app CryptoTab Browser Lite or the special pro version with set of extra features. You understand? So you can use CryptoTab on your device. You can use it on a MacBook, you can use it on your ordinary phone, you can use it on your software. That's your desktop or my laptop, any of your device that is Android or iOS. Once it's connected to data connection, you can have access to a CryptoTab browser, and you can mine your Bitcoin and earn more Bitcoin. Like, you can earn very well, much well. Like, then, like I told you before, but I won't advise you to go and input any money trying to subscribe to any premium package. I don't appreciate that in my teachings. You understand? I don't appreciate that. They are showing you the arrow where you can just click and download this particular CryptoTab browser you are hearing about. I haven't even entered to register in this now, but I will still do that in next video. But I'm trying to tell you particular thing you ought to know. That's what you ought to know now. Yeah, that's what you ought to know. So about telling you things more about it. Quick video explaining CryptoTab. They have if you enter the site, this is the YouTube video. Once you click this YouTube video, you will be able to see all the things you need to know about this particular website. That's it. You see every damn thing you need to know about this particular website. The features that I couldn't be able, I can't put on to you, you hear it. The ones I put on to you still see it and see how to implement it. So they have security and filters. CryptoTab offers dedicated profile for multiple users and safely stores your password and personal data. It automatically blocks suspicious IP address and malware extensions, protecting you from online fraud and other threats. Their security are very nice and very strong, that they can even dictate unnecessary and unrecognized IP address and malware extension, which is once there is threat or any attempt of any fraudulent activities on your account that you've created, they will just have to strike and dictate that fraudulent activities, and they will prevent you from being scammed. You understand? So that's it. Tabs and windows adjust to UI. Understand? Address bar, search the web, add access bookmark. A lot of whole features in this particular CryptoTab browser, which I enjoy. I enjoy them. I almost tell you I enjoy them. Then don't you ever try and do. If you try the premium package and they are still giving it, mine on, go on with it. But if they are not doing it, please don't risk your money and say that I'm the one that pushed you. I'm not the one. Get me right now. I'm not the one. I repeat again, I'm not the one. Just exploring this particular website called CryptoTab browser and CryptoTab mining site, so that if you want to enter it, you can still do your own research, and whatever it is that you've seen or you realize, you can follow your mind, because I guess your mind can't deceive you. Even if your mind deceives you, you can be able to forgive yourself easily, more than any other person. Yeah, you can do that. You can forgive yourself more than any other person. But once another person lured you into what finally didn't end well, you got to talk more of hate speech, more of hate words to that person. But once you are the one that once you try it out yourself and it didn't work as you wished, you got to respect yourself and know that this is your cause and no one causes it. Thanks you for being here with me. This is your boy Emperor Cares. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos as we wait for how to operate it. Thank you.